Welcome back, and the big story which is coming in from Karnataka right now. The Income Tax Department has conducted raids at Bengaluru's Eagleton Resort, where more than 30 Congress MLAs are confined. Raids have taken place at the house of Congress leader and Karnataka Energy Minister D.K. Shivakumar. The Congress leadership has now said that they will raise the issue of the raids in Parliament. MLAs of the Congress from Gujarat have been at the resort for 4 days now amid fears of being poached by the BJP. A panic-stricken Congress has taken steps to keep these MLAs entertained, including arranging a karaoke night for them, also a meeting between the state's governor and these MLAs, also a session about the history and values and culture of the Congress is on the cards. But in the midst of all this are raids which have been carried out at the Eagleton Resort. This is the hideout of about 40 MLAs of the Congress. We've got Akshay now joining us live from the Eagleton Resort. Akshay, first of all, tell us, what is the reason behind these raids being carried out today?
Well, Padmaja, 40 plus MLAs from the Congress's Gujarat wing are camped in this Eagleton Resort. You can see that behind me. It's a closed entry, and they're saying that the IT raid allegedly could be to see if there are any payment that has been made to these MLAs to ensure that they stay back in Eagleton Resort itself. Initially when they were brought here, there was a lot of issues going on, saying that MLAs are trying to move camp, and because the Rajya Sabha elections are only a few days away, there was fear that many of them might cross vote. To ensure those kind of activities does not happen, a luxury treatment is being given out to these MLAs at Eagleton Resort, and we've been seeing that karaoke night and food of preference, and in fact we're being told that a chef from Gujarat had been flown down to ensure that the MLAs are given the food of their choice, and also a treatment at Wonderla theme park. All these things are done to ensure that these MLAs stay back. So the IT raid allegedly, according to our sources, are happening to check if there have been any money transactions that are going on. We've seen that there's a technical classes that are going on for these MLAs, with 2 professors from Jawaharlal Nehru University coming and talking to them about politics, ethics, religion, and the importance of the Congress in the state. So when all these things are going on, yes, there has been a doubt saying, are they being restrained here? We've seen a similar situation in Tamil Nadu as well, when the AIADMK had warring factions and many of them were in the Kuvattur Resort. So is there a similar situation now is what is happening? And we're also being told by our sources that an IT raid is being conducted at Congress leader D.K. Shivakumar and his brother D.K. Suresh's residence as well. So it needs to be seen how long this will take and what are the findings. But it is going to be a very, very tough time for the Congress to ensure that these MLAs do not hop and move into other factions, Padmaja.
Well, very interesting. We're also getting news that Akshaya has just flashed that the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, has spoken to the Pradesh Congress Committee Chief and other Congress leaders on the income tax raids that are taking place even as we speak. And there's more news coming in.